Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicwave.com, making this a small video about yen index and the yen pairs, how we did based on this my analysis. Last webinar I did a couple of webinar before, and I made this chart, my analysis, and showed this chart and explained it in my webinar. Um, so let's get started. This is a yen index monthly chart, and you can see here this little arrow here from this area to this area. This area is 54.73, then 52.52, then 50.68, and I mentioned these numbers here. If 54.73 breaks, we go down to 52.52, which is this area. 61% also coming 52.58. So what happened to this? By the way, when yen index drop, yen gets strong. Okay, so this was my analysis that yen is going to drop and get strong, and because yen is always on the right hand side on every pair, for example, pound yen, euro yen, Aussie yen, USD yen, right? So all of those pairs are supposed to go down, right, when yen gets strong. So this was my analysis and my suggestion that look for shorts in all the yen pairs. They're going to drop 4 to 500 pip. I mentioned that in my last webinar to my subscribers. So what happened to this chart is this exactly. That's the area that it came and hit, and by doing that, what really happened and how we did, I couldn't save most of the charts, but I have a couple of them to show you that. For example, this one is euro yen 40-minute chart. This is the sell entry here, and more than 300 pip gone. And this one was USD yen, same story. It just, it was several entries and several trades, but this was one of them on June 13, 14. Okay, and you can see here this is more than 200 pips. All right, this is a small area. You imagine all of that drop from June 4th. That's my index chart was from June 4th, and this is June 13th. So in the meantime, you had all of those trades. Similarly, I couldn't record, but you can see the entries, pound yen, because this is the one I was actively hitting in and out kind of thing. So this was an entry, this was an entry, and if you look at these entries at June 15, this was June 16. Here, these entries were like June 16 again, and before that, you can see a lot of good entries. For example, this one, is here June 8, and this is here June 9, this is here June 10. So entries everywhere with this system, very easy, very clear. As long as we're traveling in the downtrend, you can see and take these entries from 40-minute chart. And by the way, it's a lot of small entries like from 20-minute charts as well. For example, I can tell you like this wobble here. Okay, and a 40-minute chart, this wobble here is a very nice entry on a 20-minute chart. So if you miss the 40-minute entry, or you do want to take a 40-minute, and like here, similarly, here from here to here, there was an entry on 20-minute chart. Okay, these wobbles, entries on 20-minute charts. See this wobble going up, 20-minute entry here, and then it goes up. So when you look at that 20-minute entry, so this is what I teach in my webinars, and if you subscribe, you get all this mumbo jumbo, my charts, before charts, and my templates of all my higher time frame charts, for example, like this one or this one, weekly charts, all of that, plus you learn how to do all of these things. Okay, EA to indicator, or EA to open up these charts, these candles, and how to take, and I have almost like 700 videos on my YouTube channel, and plus I have some videos, or all my recordings, basically all my webinars recording are on my website only for subscribers, so you can go and take a look at that, those recording to learn a lot from. Plus I have specific videos, training videos, where I show that how you can open these charts and trade nice and clean with that. Entry, beautiful entry. This one, then this one, and you can see hundreds of pips. Very nice and clean, not to worry about anything if you follow the proper steps. So this is it for now. If you like what you saw, just go on my website, subscribe, and start trading. Next week we have Brexit, and it's going to be very volatile, very high volatility is expected. And my advice is to stay out of the market. Otherwise, the chances are that people are gonna get hurt a lot. But so the wise decision is to stay out. Okay, and once the dust is settled, then and the direction is clear that what happened, they're in, they're out, and based on that, where the market start moving, and then you can get it. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to go on my website and subscribe.